Fifth standard, separate the periods in the numbers. Today I am going to your revisions, okay, by placing commas at the appropriate places. So this is the Indian system. According to Indian system, first of all take 3, then 2, then 2. So this is the ones period, this is the thousand, this is the lakh period. So 80,009. So again separate 3, 2 and 2. 3, 2 and 1. So this is the 4,10,657. Write the numerals for the following. 3,66,230. First of all write down the lakh period. Then thousand period. Then the ones period. 3 lakh. So 3 lakh 66,230. 63 lakh. So 63 lakh 66,011. So 81 period 3 we have to require. So put there 0. 29 lakh. So 29 lakh 1,000. 29 lakh 1,000. So in thousand period there are 2 digits. So put 0. Okay. And 14. So here also 3 digits required. So put before 0 14. Fill in the blank. 7,000 equal to how many hundreds? First of all write down 7,000 divide with 100. So 2020 cut 70 100. 1 million equal to 10 lakh. According to Indian system we have a lakh, 10 lakh, lakh, 10,000, 1,000 and the ones period. But in 1 million system 1 million equal to 10 lakh. 1,000 equal to how many tens? So 1,000 divide with 10, cut 1 0, it's a 100 tens. 1 lakh equal to 100,000. 1 lakh equal to how many thousands? So 1 2 3 4 5 and the 1,000. Cut 3 0, it's a 100,000. Make proper note for this. Second question number 4, find out the face value and the place value. Face value means the digit itself. So face for f equal to 7. Place value, so it positions of the number. So 7 at the 100 place. So place value equal to 700. In this 6 face value remain as it is digit itself. And the 6 is the ones, 10, 100 and the 1,000 place. In 1,000 after 1 there are 3 zeros. So write down over here 3 0. In this 2 at the which place? 10 lakh place. 1 2 3 4 5 6 and the 7. This is the lakh and 10 lakh. So its place value remain as it is 2 and the place value after 2 1 2 3 4 5 6. So write down 6 0. 1 2 3 4 5 6. It's a 20 lakh. Now international system of numerations. International system. So in international system there are the 3 digit. Again you have to take 3 digit. 3 digit and the 8. So this is the international system. In international system 1 million equal to 10 lakh. So it's a 3,700,090. Okay, 790,862. If you want to write down in word system, so 3 million. 3,790,000. 790,000. 862. Now this one you have to write down yourself. 8,725,195. Write the following in expanded form. Expanded form means you have to write down in place value system. So 5. After 5, 5 at the 10 leg position. So it's a 50 leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So write down 60. Then put plus sign. Then take 9. 9 at the leg position. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 0. 3, 4, 5. Now take 2. 2 at the which place? 10,000. So write down 40. It's a 20,000. 1 at the 1,000 place. So write down 30. 6 at the 100 place. 2 at the 10 place. And 0 remain as it is. This one you have to write down yourself. Write the following in the standard form. Standard form means short form. First of all, you have to count this value once, 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000 lakh and the 20 lakh. So it's a 10 lakh positions. So 10 lakh. I'm writing here 10 lakh, then lakh, then 10,000, 1,000, 100, tens and the ones. We have a given 20 lakh, so 10 lakh already given. But in lakh, no value given, so write down over there instead of 0. Then 10,000 also not given, so write down 0. Then 10,000 not given, so write down there 0. 1,000 also not given, so write down there 0. Then 630 as it is. Count 1, 2, 3, 3. So same thing you have to do here. 30 lakh, so 30 is given. But once 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000 lakh, it's a given lakh. But 10,000 value is not given, so write down there 0. 1,000 value is given. Again 100 and 10's value not given, so write down over there 0, then 5. So it's a 310,2005. Same thing here, 60 already given. Okay, then lakh not given, so write down over there 0. Then 10,000 also not given, so write down there 0. 1,000 is given, 100 is given, 10 value is not given, so instead of that write down 0, then 8. Predecessor means its before number. You have to cut -1 from this value. 49 before number is 48. So 38168. Here 30 means 29. 829. 20 means 90. So successor means its after number. You have to add +1. Okay, so 1 6 3 4 5 6 6 5 4 6 0 8 1. Then 3 3 3 3 34. Compare the following numbers. So if you count this number, so this number is bigger than this number, so this is the greater than. Same thing here, only 5 digit. Here this number is more digit, so it's a greater than this value. Now arrange the following in ascending order as well as in descending order. First of all, I am doing here ascending order. Then if you reverse ascending, then this make a descending order. So first of all, count the number of digits. Here 3 5 7, 3 2 5, 3 5 7, 3 5 7, 3 5 7. So this is the smallest number, so this is one in. I am arranging in ascending order. Then if you make reverse that ascending order, then you will get the descending order. Now you can see here 4 2 2 2 2 2. Here this is already done, but here 20 and here 20 to 22. So this one is make a second because here 20 is given. Now compare these three. So here 220, 122, and here 222. So this is in number 3. Ascending means smallest to biggest, you have already learned. So this is the 4 and this is the 5 in ascending order. Descending order, this will be reverse. Descending order, I am writing here D, then this will make first. So 4 3 2, sorry, this is the 5. So 5 4 3 2 1. If you reverse this, then you will get the descending order. You have to write down yourself this one. Now round the following to the nearest 10. In nearest 10 you have to compare the ones digit. 6 is greater than 5, so 10 digit increment by 1, so it's a 50 and replace 1 by 0. Again this 4 is less than 5, so don't increment 10 digit, remain as it is, just make a write down here 1 place 0. Again this 9 is greater than 5, so this is 3 9, so it's make a, if we add 1 399, if we add plus 1, then it's 4000. Okay, round the following to the nearest 100. In nearest 100 you have to just compare the tens digit. 1 is less than 5, so don't increment 100 digit by 1. 3 6, write down there 0. Same thing here, 4 less than 5, so 4 4, then other 2 digit replaced by 0. Here 8 is greater than 5, so 2 become 3, then replace other by 0. 1000, in 1000 you have to just compare the 100 digit. Here 2 less than 5, so increment 1000 digit by 1, so it become 9 and replace other digit by 0. Here 2 less than 5, so don't increment 100 digit by 1, it's remain as it is and replace by 0. Roman numbers, this is the triple x. Triple x means it's a 30. C indicate 100. L x, L means 50, x means 10, so it's a 60, so 160. XL, XL means it's a 40 plus 2, so it's 42. In Roman numerals, this is the Hindu Arabic, you have to write down in Roman numeral. 352, it means a 100 plus 50 plus 2, 3 times 100, sorry 100, so it's a 100 triple times. C 50 means L double 2. 887, 800 means 500 plus 80 plus 7 plus 300, so 500 means it's a D. M for the 1000. 300 means is 3 times C, we have already learned here. 80 means 50 plus 30, so L triple X. 7 means V double I. Okay, this answer is, now this is here. 500 means it's a D. 30 means triple X. 5 means D. Okay, got it. Now make proper note for this revision. Whenever our revision will finish, then I will start your term 2 syllabus.